okay? Because by the time we've ruled that off, we go around back to 10 millimeters again, okay?
Yep.
And that just goes on, and you see the way that's got the thickness now?
Yep.
Because after we rule that, we've got to make sure that we still meet the standards of around economically easy to push it on from left to right. So if I put that on first, and then I come with this one, I can work it back into what I've just put on. Okay, and then it all merges into one, and then you've got a flat wall that's bolt comes right up and then pushes straight up. Okay, hold down. Okay, that's it. That's it. Just turn it in straight to the wall. Now turn it up and in. There you go. Once you get that feeling into the movement of what you're doing, it becomes automatic. You'll keep doing it. All right. It's like everything else. If you do it enough, repetitive, it will start to feel normal. Alright, thickness. So we've got to add to that. So all you need to do is take a sample off like that, and then we apply it underneath, and then we just gently squeeze it into the wall so it merges with what we've got before like that. Okay?